everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Our topic this day is about finding the roots or zeros and identifying the ABC of quadratic equation. The given is x squared negative 2x equals to 4. Kailangan yung standard quadratic equation ay equals to 0. Hindi po siya equals to 0. So we're going to rewrite this one. X squared negative 2x transpose. When transpose yung number to the left side, change the sign. Positive 2, negative 4 equals 0. Ito na po yung standard quadratic equation. Always equals to 0. And we have x squared. So the ABC, the numerical coefficient of x squared is 1, silent 1, then negative 2, then negative 4 for C. Constant for C, B for the second term, and 1 is the x squared. Take note, kailangan yung first term always positive. Okay, this time we have negative 4x squared plus 5x negative 4. So we have to do is to arrange first. We have negative 4x squared plus 5x. Then transpose becomes positive 4 equals to 0. We have a problem. Here is the negative. So either multiply or divide by negative 1. Okay. Now, to find the standard quadratic equation, we have negative divided by negative equals positive. So, positive 4x squared. Then, positive divided negative, we have negative 5x now. Then, positive divided negative, we have negative 4 equals 0. Standard quadratic equation, and now the first term is positive, so we can select now the A for the numerical coefficient of this. We have 4, numerical coefficient of second term, negative 5, and for the C is negative 4 also. Okay, next. And this third example, we need to find first the product of this given binomial. So we have to multiply x times x equals x squared. Then again, we have to multiply x times 4 equals negative 4x. Then times 3x, we have positive 3x. Then we have to multiply again. 3 times 4, negative 12 equals to 0. This time not in standard form because of not yet in complete standard quadratic equation because of these two. We need to combine this. Since negative positive, we have to this one just only copy, and we have to minus. We have negative x because 4 is greater than 3x, so that's why disregard with this sign, so we will affix the sign of 4x. And negative 12, not affected, just only copy. This time this is the quadratic equation, then transfer here. We have x squared, negative x, negative 12 equals to 0 in the standard form now. Then the A silent one here, 1. For B, you have negative 1. And for C is negative 12. I hope you understand about how to find the roots and zeros of quadratic equation and identifying the ABC. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.